How to track attendance in Monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to track your employees attendance in Monday.com. So it's gonna be very easy. We're gonna use templates from Monday.com. So first you can go to your Monday dashboard, you can log in. After that, you can go to your live chat here. As you can see, there is main workspace. Then we're gonna add item to workspace here like this, and then we can choose board for board and then click start with template, and it's gonna brings us to template center, and then we're gonna use template from monday.com. So you can just search attendance, you can just like this, then you are gonna see this one attendance sheet. You can click it, and then you can see this is the preview from the template. As you can see, this is the preview and we're gonna use it. You can just click use template here and it's loading. It's gonna take a few seconds and it's done. So as you can see, this is the template. You can add, the employees name, manager, and then employees IDs and others. And then for this template, you can see there are the 5 days, the 5 work days, and you can see there are absence and attendance. You can edit